Starting around 27 July 2023, Jasmy coin generally is exchanging at $0.004 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.39% in every practical sense. Most recent 60 minutes. Jasmy most certainly has a genuinely all-out market cap of $189,515,096, with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $22,411,980. Incredibly, this by and large makes Jasmy coin, Jasmy, extremely positioning at 143 in the cryptographic money market, kind of in spite of prevalent thinking. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what in every practical sense is the Jasmy coin cost expectation end of 2023. What will Jasmy coin essentially be most certainly worth in 2023 in an exceptionally significant manner? Is Jasmy coin an especially wise speculation or certainly worth purchasing in 2023, in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Jasmy cost fundamentally outperform its record-breaking high? Or so they certainly thought. These explicitly are our Jasmy coin cost expectations for Jasmy's future in an unpretentious manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin gauge cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost by and large is supposed to fundamentally cross a by and large normal value level of $0.005, the normal pretty least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the genuinely current year. Ought to generally be $0.005, extremely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Besides, Jasmy can especially arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme value level of $0.005, or so they certainly thought. Jasmy coin value expectation July 2023. Jasmy coin cost generally is supposed to truly reach between $0.004 to $0.004 in July 2023. While the typical cost of Jasmy for the July certainly remains around $0.004 Jasmy coin value gauge August 2023, the sort of normal cost of Jasmy coin, Jasmy, could sort of go to $0.004 toward the finish of August 2023. So besides, Jasmy can especially arrive at a greatest value level of $0.005. Or so they sort of thought. Jasmy could explicitly be exchanging around a very most extreme worth of $0.004, with the genuinely least expected cost of $0.004, or so they fundamentally thought. Jasmy value gauge September 2023. The Jasmy coin estimate for September 2023 expects that the Jasmy may really arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.004, with a by and large least cost of around $0.004 in an unpretentious manner. Discussing the very normal value, Jasmy can fundamentally stretch around $0.004 for September amazingly. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation October 2023. The cost for Jasmy coin in October 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $0.004 and $0.005 in a kind of huge manner, while the extremely normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $0.004 in a huge manner. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value estimate November 2023. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost for November 2023 may truly arrive at a sort of least worth of $0.004, while the by and large greatest gauge cost generally is around $0.005, or so they truly thought. The fundamentally normal cost for Jasmy in a real sense is generally anticipated to really reach $0.005 in November 2023, exhibiting that Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Jasmy cost in every way that really matters is supposed to in every way that really matters cross an extremely normal value level of $0.005. The normal essentially least value worth of Jasmy coin toward the finish of the especially current year ought to by and large be $0.005, or so they generally thought. Jasmy coin, Jasmy, value conjecture December 2023. The Jasmy coin, Jasmy, cost for December 2023 may really arrive at a truly least worth of $0.005, while the in every practical sense greatest determined cost especially is around $0.005 in an unobtrusive manner. The very normal cost for Jasmy explicitly is certainly anticipated to especially reach $0.005 in December 2023. Jasmy coin exceptionally passed value examination. In every practical sense, recent hours, the crypto sort of has been especially diminished by 0.18% in its genuinely current worth in an unpretentious manner. Assuming we truly look at the fundamentally current market cap of the Jasmy with yesterday's, you can generally see that the market cap essentially is likewise down, showing that the typical cost for Jasmy explicitly is basically anticipated to reach $0.005 in November 2023, exhibiting that Jasmy value expectation 2023. As per the Jasmy coin figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Jasmy cost especially is supposed to cross a truly normal value level of $0.005, the normal least value worth of Jasmy coin, toward the finish of the very current year, ought to be $0.005 in a by and large significant manner. From very most recent 7 days, the Jasmy sort of was in sort of good vertical pattern and expanded by 1.18%. Certainly in spite of prevalent thinking, Jasmy coin in every practical sense has shown extremely serious areas of strength for of potential of late, and this could be especially great chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into an especially significant way, especially inside the genuinely most recent 1 month. The cost of Jasmy especially diminished by 43.344%. Dispensing with an astounding certainly normal amount of $0.003 from its sort of current worth in an especially significant manner. This unexpected down truly implies that the coin truly is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can generally be a by and large great purchase, an open door for truly speedy venture, which sort of is genuinely critical. The 90 days cost change by and large is near 25.86%. And the cost truly coursed from a base commonly normal cost of $0.005 to greatest kind of normal cost of $0.005 in every practical sense. Recent days truly further appearance how the 90 days cost change explicitly is near 25.86%. And the cost all things considered, circled from an all things considered, least normal cost of $0.005 to pretty most extreme kind of normal cost of $0.005 in the precise beyond 90 days, or so they generally thought. In most recent 4 months Jasmy coin essentially has shown a developing pattern in a genuinely significant manner. Hence, we by and large think that comparable pieces of the market generally were very famous at that period, which in a real sense is very huge. As indicated by the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Jasmy coin sort of is expanded from 4 months, or so they especially thought. The exchange